Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix notification sound not working problem on Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Notifications, turn on Notify Actions, check Allow notifications to play sounds. Turn off Do Not Disturb. Turn on notifications from your apps. Second method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Windows Audio Service, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK. Restart the service. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Polying Audio. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers, right-click your audio device, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart Task. Sixth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type SFC /scanno. Type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.